Hi and welcome to all Stanford DCI fellows and alumni. I'm very much looking forward to be working with you on the Science of Action workshop. My name is Sebastian. I'm a professor in Switzerland for creativity, visual thinking, design your future, and also the science of action. And at the same time, a visiting fellow at Stanford's Institute of Design and working both with doctoral students and MBA students in South Africa. I look forward to be working with you in better understanding your current action and decision style, and also looking into how to overcome procrastination and become better in turning your ideas into action, and ultimately to cultivate proactivity. In science, this is called the intention-action gap. So I have an intention, but I'm not following up on the action. Or it's also called knowing-doing gap. I know what I should be doing, but I'm not doing this. Just as we all know it from New Year's resolutions, but maybe also from big picture life dreams. And then ultimately, we have come up with a framework where we have two meta strategies to better overcome this gap. One of the strategies is to have more jumping power. And the other strategy is to actually be more smart and reduce the gap. Overall, we will be looking into 7 key strategies. One from behavior economics, not working against our laziness, but actually using our laziness to take action. 2, positive psychology, which is not about being positive all the time, but it's about using our strength and designing our future for well-being. 3 is insights from neuroscience that professional athletes use a lot, and we will be also looking into how can we cultivate a healthy inner dialogue. And then 4, we will be also looking into how can we use energy competence coming from chronobiology. So how is your energy unfolding throughout the day? When is your so-called prime time, and what are ways for you to protect this? And we will be also looking into how to set healthy boundaries in times of distractions. We will be also looking into visual structures in case you are overloaded or overwhelmed, and also facing maybe isolation or lack of support by being more conscious about our social support system. So ultimately, it's all about a relaxed environment with lots of interventions and interactions and exchange among us in order to also learn from each other. And then finally, to build your own portfolio of action strategies to become better in turning your thoughts and ideas into action. I look very much forward to be working with you. Thank you so much.